Hello, my name is Ethan Gamble. I'm studying secondary education and history at the University of Alabama in Huntsville. Today I'll be showing some basics on Plickers and how you can use the website to interact with students. Let's get started. I've already logged into Plickers using my Google account. This is a free website along with the cards you'll need to print off. You also want to download the free app onto your device. So what can we go down to this class I created? Now here you can see the surveys and graded questions that you've created for the class. And if you scroll down, you can also see all your students right here. So this is the Edit Student option. Here you can add your students from the Quick Add tab right here. You can just type in their first and last name and it'll add them and assign them the next number available. Also, you can go here to the Add Students and you can type in their first and last name and they'll all pop up at once and then it'll add them all at once. Now, if you want to edit them individually, you can just click on them like that and then you can edit their student number to whatever you want it to be, and you can edit their name, and if you have a kid drop or something like that, you can delete them or archive them. So after adding all your students, you're going to want to go and print off your Plickers cards. These are the Plickers cards. There's a link on the website where you can go to get here, or you can just follow the link up here at the top. They're all free, and you can get them all in different sizes. The bigger ones are better for the little kids. See how these are 2 to a page? Those are better for the little kids because they're they have little hands. So you print them off. I would recommend getting them laminated because the little ones like to bend them and do all kinds of everything with them. Um, yeah, so after you do that, you're gonna want to go create a little PowerPoint. I've already created one right here, the important questions in life, and you can just go create one. It's super easy. It's just a simple PowerPoint process. There's a bunch of options you can get in there with it, and you can create like a graded set where there's only one right answer, or you can do a survey where all of them are right, and you just kind of see what everybody was picking. All right, so now kind of to the actually going through with it. So once you've made all your preparations, you're going to want to hand the cards to the students and open up your Plickers app on your device. Go ahead and hit play now on your computer, and the presentation is going to come up like here. You can go ahead and hit this here, and it'll pop up. The students are going to hold their cards up with the answer they think is right, and they're going to hold the right answer facing up. So go around the room and scan the cards. You're really not going to have to move that much because the scanner picks up pretty well within the app. So yeah, once you scan the cards, the results are going to be up on the screen. So let me go scan these cards and show you what I'm talking about. So now as I'm scanning these, their name is popping up, and this is a survey, so they're all popping up blue. If I'm doing a right and wrong, if I'm doing a graded set, they're going to pop up green or red as I scan them, whether they're going to be right or wrong. All right, so I just scanned all those. And now if you go over here to this little graphing chart, it's going to pop up what everybody picked. So now because this is a survey, it just shows who picked what here. Okay, so there's that. There are a lot of cool features with this. After you get done, you just want to hit mark done and it'll exit it out. So there are a lot of cool features with this. You can create a little report off of it. Just go right here. All right, so yeah, you can view what's going on. Yeah, so you can view how they did by each student, and you can also use this stuff for like super easy grading. So if you go up here to reports, if it'll do it. So I can look right here and see who exactly picked what and everything, and I can look and use this for grading, or maybe if I have like a Christmas party or something like that, that I want to find out what food, I can use it for that. You can also go over here to score sheet if you want to do like some quick grading. Gonna hit our class. Yeah, so because I only had them answer one question, well, this one here. I only had them answer one question, and this was a survey. See how this is a graded one right here. So where it shows what the right answer is and then the wrong answers. So I can go through and it's already got their percentages right here of what they've got right and everything. So I can go in and easily put that in my grade book. So, but yeah, Plickers is a great cool tool. It can be used in classrooms to make grading easier, and it keeps the kids really entertained. It's super easy to use, especially after using it a couple times. I hope you've learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.